Hi, I'm Pedro Flores. I'm a TransPerfect Senior SEO Specialist based in Barcelona. These days, it's incredibly easy to generate hundreds of articles with AI tools, and the web is saturated with that kind of content. Almost any brand can publish at scale now, but volume doesn't equal value. When everything starts to sound the same, trust becomes the real differentiator. So the big question here is, how do AI systems and search engines decide what is trustworthy? They are increasingly rely on EEAT signal. The recent Google December 2025 core update expands EEAT expectations beyond traditional your money on your life topics. I'm speaking about health, I'm speaking about finance, and now apply to almost all competitive queries, any niche, any industry, from e-commerce review to affiliate sites to media and how to content. If a page influences someone's decisions, spending or understanding, it's expected to show credible, experience-driven value. In other words, if your content can impact real-life choice, it needs to show real credibility. First, strengths author credibility. Make it clear who is behind your content. So try to use real name, credentials, bios, and credible profiles. And why does this matter? Because trust is often tied to identity. When users and search systems can see that content comes from a real person with relevant expertise, it instantly becomes more credible. Anonymous or generic editorial team content is becoming a disadvantage in these AI days. And second, prioritize real experience. So life experience is now as important as credential. Case studies, original data, and test insights matter. Content that shows that the creator has actually used a product or performed a task now is becoming more and more rewarded. And this aligns with the broader goal of creating reliable content and not just generic information. And third, source your claim. So when you include statistics, research, or even strong claims, cite the sources. And this means two things. It builds trust with users, and it sends credibility signals to search engines. Verifiable information shows that your content is based on evidence, not just an opinion. And in a world full of AI-generated text, real proof makes the difference. If I have to pick up a key takeaway, it will be this. So try to shift your mindset from producing more content to providing more credibility. Because in an AI-driven world, the brands that win visibility will be the ones that earn trust. And trust these days is harder to scale, but it is more valuable to build.